Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Golf and Spa Resort. Now the category that we're in today is a junior suite category. This particular one is a pool view. Their entry-level category is the tropical view, so this is just one up from that, and generally it's the entry level that we are going to sell here. Let me show you what the room is all about. So as soon as you walk in the door, you have this Dreams box here. This is where they're gonna drop off your room service. I love that option because you can order it, they'll drop it off there, you don't have to run to the door, and you can grab it whenever you're ready. Continuing on in, to my left, you're gonna have the master bathroom. So right here, as soon as you walk in, is going to be the shower. It's a really good size. I'm a big guy, I got plenty of room to move around in here. You do have the rainforest shower head, and you're also gonna have the shower wand here as well, in addition to the chair, which also can function as a place to put your foot as well. Now continuing on in to the left, you're gonna have the toilet. You also have this great floor to ceiling mirror here, a little bit of storage over to the side. And then one of the signatures here is that they always have the incense here in case you wanna burn that. It's great, it's kind of like bringing a memory back. Now you've got two different sinks here for the double vanity. You've got your amenity kit here with all of your full-sized amenities. And underneath you're gonna have the extra towels in addition to the scale, though I try to avoid that on vacation. You're also gonna have your hair dryer and this great magnifying mirror right here. Continuing into the room, you've got your storage here, so you've got hang-up storage. You also are gonna have your safe right there. You got storage underneath and then a little up above as well. And then right here, you're gonna have a little more storage all the way up and down. And I do love that they have a steamer in there for you that you can utilize for your stay. Now we're into the main room portion. I wanted to point out that this divider actually opens up or it closes off so you can have that privacy. That's really nice when you're traveling with a family. Now this particular category or configuration is set up as 2 queen beds. This can be used as a king or 2 queens, but of course, as your travel advisor, we'll work through all of those details with you on how to lock that in. Now just in the middle here, I wanted to point out, I love that they have the little mat here. So when you step in and out of bed, you're stepping onto that instead of the floor. You're gonna have 2 US plugs and a USB plug there in the middle. And what's great is that you have your temperature control right by the bed. You wanna turn it down a couple degrees at night, that's always nice. And then you're also gonna have the makeup room and do not disturb buttons right there as well. Little reading lights next to the bed. And then right across, you're gonna have the flat panel smart TV. Now underneath here, you have a little more storage. You got luggage storage right there as well. And then underneath, you're gonna have your mini fridge. You can stock that as you like, and it'll be replenished throughout your stay. You've got your Nespresso up top. You got Nespresso pods right there. They'll replenish those as you like. And then you've got a small desk here. But the one feature that I love that I really wanted to point out is the tablet. So you're gonna use this tablet kind of as the program. You can learn more about the hotel, dining options, different menus, spa, tours. But what I love the most is you can order your room service directly from here. They're gonna deliver it directly into the Dreams box. And then even when you're done, you just push the button on there and you let them know that you're done. But it's just an extra level of luxury service to be able to do that on your own time. Continuing on, you've got a small coffee table here. You also have a couch. This does turn into a bed as well. You've got your dimmers over there, an extra plug, perfect for the couch bed, and your fan right above. So now we're headed out to the balcony. I'm gonna close the screen right here behind me. You've got this couch area there. You also have your table and chairs. This is perfect for a coffee or maybe a cocktail in the evening. And then you also have this great soaking jacuzzi tub out here on the balcony as well. But what this is great for is just having a little bit of personal space. So with this lead-in category, you're gonna get, of course, everything all-inclusive, but one thing you may wanna consider is upgrading to a preferred club room. So those are gonna start with the ocean views and above, but you get all kinds of amenities throughout your stay. You can check in at the preferred club lounge. You have access to that throughout your stay. It's got a great bar. In fact, my favorite on the property. You also would have access to the bally beds around the pool and the preferred club bally beds and palapas down on the beach. In addition, especially if you're traveling with kiddos, you have a lazy river that's just for preferred club and other amenities throughout. So this is a perfect category, don't get me wrong, but if you're interested in having enhanced amenities, you may want to consider that as well. So when you're ready to book this room category or any room at Dreams or Secrets or any of the AM resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the space inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your family at an incredible value.